In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile URL or the link to your profile on LinkedIn. And what I mean is, if I hover here over my photo, you can see when I click on it, that is the profile URL that I am talking about. So this up at the top here. By default, LinkedIn will try and do your name. If there's more people with your name on LinkedIn, they add numbers to the end and it just starts looking a bit untidy. So when you're in your profile page, you see here public profile and URL, and there's a pencil. If you click on that, that takes you to the page where you can edit the URL. Now, my recommendation is that you use your name, because at the end of the day, it's your business profile on LinkedIn is in your name, because LinkedIn actually does not allow for business profiles. It's got to be a personal profile, and then you link your business to it. So preferably go with your name. If for some reason there are other people with the same name, then you can do something similar to what I did, where I just added coaching to the end of my URL. So mine is then Carlos Batista Coaching, but my name is still there. You then click save, and that will be your new URL, and that's what you can share across the internet. I trust you found this useful. Please check out the other videos in this channel on other functionality on LinkedIn.